Hey everyone, it is Mark again. Should be week 3, but it's like week, I don't know, 7. I missed some weeks in there. Sorry. But we got through dominant 7 chords, major 7 chords, and now today we're gonna do minor 7 chords. So let's do the same basic keys each time, and we'll do minor chords now. Minor 7 chords. All right, so this is the first minor shape. This is an F minor 7. Looks like that. You have the F, you have the C, you have the E flat, and you have the A flat. Kind of looks like that. I don't know if you all can see. So these two fingers are here, pinky here, and first finger there. To the next one, where you bar, like so. This is barred on the 6th fret, and these two fingers are both on the 7th fret, with the third finger, what is this? What the hell fret are we on? The 8th fret, and this is also on the 8th fret. So 6th and 8th fret. So it looks like that. Where this is barred, and this is on the G string, and this is on the E string. Like that. Alright, so now, this shape is the second inversion. This was the first. This was the root position. So now we're at the second inversion, where we have your second finger here on C, your third finger here on F, your first finger on A flat, and your pinky on E flat. So it's like you have two fingers on the same fret, two fingers on the 10th fret, D string, G string, first finger on the 2nd fret, which is A flat. What fret? Well, this is actually the fret are we on? 9th fret with the 2nd string. Then your pinky is on the 11th fret, first string. So yeah. And then this is the easiest one. This is a third inversion. On the, well, you have the E flat in the bass, the A flat, the C, and the F. It's like that. So that's like that. So we have the root, we have the first, we have the second, and then we have the third. Now we're moving to the. These are all closed positions too. We're going to stay in closed position for a while. So this is all now root on the 5th string. That was root on the 4th string, the D string. So these are the shapes that are going to be happening on the 5th. So root position looks like this. So you bar on the 3rd fret. First finger is on second finger is on the 4th fret, the 2nd string, and then this here is on the 5th fret, the what string have we got? The 4th string. This is a C minor 7. We're doing a C minor 7 shape. So you have the C, the G, the B flat, and the E flat. So that is C minor 7. Okay, so now first inversion. This is hard. This one will, if you're not used to these stretchy chords, will take you a little time. You'll get there, but it will definitely take you, maybe a few times. A few weeks, months, I don't know. So you put your second finger here, which is on the E flat, which is the second, it's the third, the minor third of C. Well, don't worry about that now. But so the second finger is on the 6th fret, 5th string. Now your third finger, you got to stretch it here to the 8th fret, the D string. This is on the B flat, and then your first finger is on C, which is on the 5th fret, the G string, and that's on the 5th fret. And now the pinky goes to G, which is here on the 2nd string, 8th fret. It sounds like that. So it's as a So it looks like that. Kind of pretty. Second inversion. This one is a little tricky, where you have the second finger on the 10th fret, which is, this is G, the note G. The third finger is on C, and this is on E flat, and that is the, what the heck, was that, 8th fret, G string, and then the pinky is on B flat. So that is C minor 7, second inversion. So we have that so far. Now you have the third inversion. So this one is it's not hard, but it's, you gotta think about it a little bit. My collar's all messed up here. It's embarrassing. All right, so we have let's see, second finger on B flat, third finger on E flat. Well, these are both on the 13th fret. So second finger on B flat, and then E flat, then G with the first finger, then pinky is on C. So that's that. Yeah. That might be hard to see. Oh, I can't get, yeah, easy shot. So basically you have these three fingers on the 13th fret, and this first finger is here on the third string, 12th fret, G. So that is everything that you need to know on the 5th fret, the 5th string. All right, so now we have the 6th string. That makes sense because we just did the 5th, so now we're on the 6th. So root position, we were going to do G minor 7. This chord is pretty awesome because it's you just kind of, well, now remember, with all these chords that are in close position, we always are going to skip this string, unless we could do that. We could put the D here. So basically, well, the notes in G minor 7 are G, B flat, D, and F. So we could do this, or we could just lift that and just play this first finger straight on the 3rd fret, because you could just skip this A string altogether. And how I do that, when I comp, I use my right, or when I play the chords, use my right hand without a pick. And I would just use my thumb on the bass string, and these 3 fingers would just kind of go like that. So I would play that, and I would just avoid that string altogether. But you could put your, if you want, or you could make that. Well, you don't do that yet, but you would just do that for now. So the first inversion is it would look like this. This is a little kind of tricky. You'd have the B flat in the bass. You would have the G here, the root. You would have the D here, and you'd have the 3rd finger on F, which is here. So the 2nd finger is on the 6th fret, 6th string. 1st finger is on the 5th fret, 4th string. Your pinky is on the 7th fret, 3rd string on the G string, and then your 2nd finger is on the 2nd string, 6th fret. So that's that. Well, let me show you a little closer, because now it looks like that. This one's hard to see, but it's right there. Okay. So now we're on the 2nd inversion, where we'll have the 3rd finger here on the 10th fret. We'll have the 1st finger barred like that, and that's on the 8th fret, on the starting the bar on the D string. Now your pinky is here on the 10th fret, G string. Then your 1st finger here is here on the 10th fret, second string, the B string, on the 10th fret, and so that's barred. And then so this one is a little weird. Yeah, so that's what that looks like. Okay, so now we're at the final chord, the third inversion minor 7 chord on the E string voicing. So we'll have pinky here on F, second finger here on D, third finger here on G, first finger here on B flat. Now where does that fall? So we have the 13th fret E string, we have the pinky on that, we have the middle finger on the D string, the 12th fret, and then on the ring finger we have on the 12th fret the G string, and the first finger is on the B flat, which is on the 11th fret B string. So those are your minor 7 chords. I promise, I will post PDFs of these. I just haven't yet, but I will. Thank you all for listening or not listening or just being alive. Just thank you for that. And come back next time. We'll do half diminished chords. So that'll be fun. They're all still in the closed position chords, and then we'll just keep going from there. And then after that, we'll move on to open position.